How to create an overlapping typography effect in Adobe Illustrator. Once you're done, it will look like something like this. And the way we do this is we just take our text here, this one, and I want to turn it from a text into a fill. And the way we do this is we select our text and we go up here where it says object, click on expand, and click on OK. And now it's turned them into objects. Now we want to ungroup them by going to object and pressing ungroup, and now we can move them around as separate objects. Let me just give them different colors so we can see what's going on better, like this. And now what I want to do is I want these to be on top, so I'm just gonna right click, arrange, and bring to front like that. And now we want to give them an offset, and to do this we select all of them and we go up here to object, we look for path and offset path, and from here you can choose how big your offset is going to be. I think 3 is a good one for now. We don't want these to overlap, so I'll just leave it like that. And always remember to keep the preview on so you can see what's going on. After that, just click on OK, and here's your here are the offsets which it created. You want to make sure they are selected again, and now we're going to go to the shape builder tool, which looks something like this. You can also press Shift plus M on your keyboard and it will bring up this tool. And now while I have Alt pressed down on my keyboard, I can drag over the sections I want to delete like this, and it will delete them. Want this removed as well, these two, also this one here. And if you're not holding Alt, this minus there in the cursor will turn into a plus, and you can just use it to combine all of these shapes like that. Okay, now let me just turn this T black as well, and there you have it. That's how we create an overlapping typography effect in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.